Are you struggling to track user actions effectively with Keen? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to identify users who have performed a specific action multiple times. I totally get it. Combining requests and extracting data can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to analyze user behavior. Many users face similar challenges when setting up their tracking systems. Let's break down the specific question at hand. One user asked how to get the number of unique users who have visited a specific URL at least 3 times and also completed a purchase. Sound familiar? If you're in the same boat, stick around as we explore this together. To tackle this, we need to understand how Keen organizes data. With collections like page views and purchases, we can leverage user properties to filter and analyze the data effectively. Let's dive deeper into how this works. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'll share a powerful tip on how to optimize your data extraction process. To identify unique users who have visited a specific URL at least 3 times and have made a purchase, the user should start by querying the page views collection. This query will filter users based on their visit count. Next, the user should join this data with the purchases collection. This will help in identifying users who have also completed a purchase. The user can use a lookup operation in their query. After joining the data, the user needs to filter the results to ensure that only users who have made at least one purchase are included. This can be done using a match operation. Finally, the user can extract the relevant user information. This can be done by projecting the necessary fields from the results, such as user ID and visit count. Fun fact, did you know that data analytics is like detective work? You're piecing together clues to uncover user behavior patterns. It's pretty exciting. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to simplify your criteria using Keen's funnel analysis. This allows you to identify users who have completed specific actions without needing to filter by the number of times an action was performed. For example, you could track users who viewed certain pages and made a purchase. Another option is a 2-step query process. First, identify users who made a purchase, then count how many times those users viewed a specific page. This method allows you to filter results based on the users who completed both actions. You can also include counts on events by tracking user actions on the client side. This way, you can add properties like session views directly to your events, making it easier to filter users based on their activity. For a more advanced solution, consider using S3 streaming with AWS Lambda. This allows you to count user actions and store enriched data back in Keen, enabling more detailed queries. Lastly, you can perform complex queries on raw S3 data using EMR or Athena. This method allows for batch processing to identify users based on their actions. Here's that powerful tip I promised. Regularly review your data queries and extraction methods. This will help you stay ahead of any limitations and ensure you're getting the most out of Keen. And there you have it. You now have the tools to identify users based on their actions. Remember, effective data tracking can transform your analytics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights.